Good. Now let's move on to do the same thing for email and the website. So again, grab the label, cut it, and then go above, paste it. Again, remove the small tag, and then put a BR tag after that. And then check to make sure the IDs are the same. So ID of email, good. And now going to the website, grab the label, cut it, go back above, and then paste it in. Good. Now remove the small tag. And then put in the break tag after that. And then check the ID. Now the ID in this case, this is called website, and here it says URL. So let's just change this to website. Save it. And then reload it onto a browser to see what it looks like. And this is good. So now we have a name, email address, and the website. Name, mail, website. In this case, you can see here, this looks a little funny with two brackets for both will not be published and required. So why don't we fix that by going back to our code. And then you can see here, if this field is required, then it would post the word required. However, let's just fix it so that it's done in one bracket. So let's just delete that. Delete that too, so it says will not be published. And then if there is this field is required, let's just put a comma in between the two of them in the space, and then remove this closing bracket on this side, and then we'll close it after that. Hit save, reload, and now you can see that both of these are included within the same bracket. Good. Now the next thing we need to work on is this big text field, which is where the visitor should put the comments down on. It should have your message, the label, plus the text box field, which is aligned to the rest of the inputs. So let's go back. So you can see here that for the message, this is located within a p tag. So after website, so this line of comments is there for the WordPress theme to display available tags if you choose to have them. In this case, there really isn't much need to display what tags is available for the user. So we'll just leave that commented out and then move directly into the text area field. So again, we need a p tag to surround the whole box. So let's put that in. Closing p tag. And then you can see here there's a label of message. So let's just grab that, copy the whole thing, and then come back in here, paste it in, your message. And then the text area has an ID of message. And here it's instead of for message, it should be for comment, because the name of the text area is comment. And then the column is 20 instead of 100%. We have rows, we have tab, that's good. Okay, the rest is the same now. So hit save, and then reload. And you'll see that this form of ours is now exactly the same as that, except for our submit button. So let's just go in and restyle the submit button. Again, looking at our code, you can see here that our input button is located within a p tag. So let's just go in and add the p tag. The class is no border, and we should close it after our button. And then this input has the class of button, and it's not included here, so let's just include the class of button equals button. Good. And then also the value, instead of showing submit comment, it just says submit on a button. And so hit save, reload it. Perfect. So now a button looks like what it's supposed to be. And now we can go back in and fix our comments themselves, the styling. So you can see here, in this case, the comment offer information is located to the right of a floated avatar image, which isn't so in this case. So if we go in and just inspect the element, let's just make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. So in this case, you can see that the offer information is located within the div tag. But if we look at our CSS coding, so let's just go in and open styles.css within our practice theme folder. And then scroll down until you get to this comments list section. I'm just going to move on this side and make it a little bit easier to see. This block of comment offer information in here in our CSS style sheet is actually located within this site tag as opposed to that div. So let's just go in, delete that, and then replace that with our class of comment offer. And then also for our floated image, we need to change this as well to the class of comment offer. Hit save and reload. You can see here that the avatar is now located in the right position, floated left of the offer information. However, you can still see that the date information still needs to be fixed. Right now it's too big in size. So if we go down, actually just go inspect element, you can see that this date information is located within a class of comment meta. So going back to our CSS code, you can see instead of calling this comment meta, this right now is called comment data within the site tag and everything. So obviously we don't need that. And then just change this to comment meta. Hit save. Reload the page, and this is now fixed. And then, is there anything else we needed to fix here? Oh yeah, so you can see here that this, all the not the title, but the name of the comment offers are all in normal text, whereas here it's italicized. So let's go fix that. So let's again go inspect element. You can see here that now the names of the posters are actually inside site tag, and under normal circumstances, the browser will display these as italics text. So let us just go in and add an extra styling here, and just call it comment list site, and then change that font style back to normal. Hit save and then reload, and this is now all fixed. And you can see here we're done with styling our whole comment section, and this is we can now wrap up our complete WordPress theme. So give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done in creating your first WordPress theme. Good job.